No.
Oh.
Alright, so what are you guys doing?
Good.
Great.
Yeah. Excited.
Yeah, man. I'm going.
Who first? Wait. Oh, no, go on to the sun at. Hi.
Hello.
Yo, what
Man, everything good.
Hi, I'm Marcel at Suboceanic on Instagram and Twitter. Also check out my podcast, Could Care Less, on all podcast streaming platforms.
Hi, my name is Nikki. You can follow me at Nikki Mayu and also at MNZ Fantasies, my business page. Please follow.
You know say Xanax on the ground though.
Oh, hi guys, my name is Fiona.
Yeah, man, I don't know boy Pacha then. Underscore, man, on the gram, you know?
What go on, guys? You know, say girl, bad girl, kids, I'm a day today, you see me?
Me? Oh, I'm Kalia. I love food. I love get trouble. I love cuss. Yeah.
I'm Shanelia, and I'm Shy at times. Kalia know me because men are coming from far. Yeah. My girl, easy yourself.
Alright.
Yeah, hello peeps. My name is Brickle. I probably look familiar to y'all, but I'm actually brothers with Brick Gang. You know, he's normal in the show, but he's unavailable today, so I'm sitting in for him. The IG handle is the same, yeah? So you can go follow the page. Shout out to Jnel for having me and the team.
Hi, my name is Kimberly. And you can follow me on Instagram at Kimberlyan and YouTube at Kimberlyan.
Well, I don't know, your boy Jnel. I didn't have to introduce myself, people, but you don't know. This is my little brother, so introduce yourself, bro.
Yeah, man. Obviously, I'm new to the video. Your boy Tyzak in the cut. You can follow my Instagram at Tyzak, TYZACKGWP. I don't use Snapchat. Flat.
Mad thing, bro, mad thing.
So do you guys know the reason why you're here today?
To eat or drink something that's probably nasty.
To have something nasty, for sure. I hope it's good though.
No, not really. But when I'm watching up on YouTube, I know say something all about tasting. So I come.
I no, yeah, just step you out of my yard, you know. And tell me, say, yo, they're going to look for bad boy cash. I say, cash. I say, I'm not here fear them, say, yo, come in and boat the ride.
No. Well, for eat something. Make sure it's something nice.
Well, she texted me last night and say, make me and her go somewhere Friday. I'm ask her what she say. We're going to do a video shoot. She not want a video shoot. So I'm just say, alright, I'll come with her.
Man, no, fam.
No.
Man was outside, you know, and they say, yo, pull up. So, you know?
No. You know why there?
No.
Alright, that's a surprise. Alright, so today you guys will be trying wasabi peas.
Peas? Okay.
Peas.
I think I've had wasabi before, but not wasabi peas. So, I don't know. I don't know. Kind of nervous.
I'm stressed out.
Wasabi what?
Peas.
That's so yucky.
It's crazy, fam. We have Chinsia here. Wasabi like the song.
Wasabi.
Also wasabi.
What's that?
I don't know.
That sound like some England thing.
Nah, we don't do them stuff.
Man's don't do it.
Wasabi. It sound like some Shensia type of thing. Wasabi peas, lightly dusted.
Don't even look
sea
edible
salt.
though.
What? Ashanti make that?
This.
This look like it.
don't even know what's there, but try it, huh?
So this cook? Alright, we're gonna go cook it.
That's salt, girl. With sea salt.
You see that?
Is it like fish?
What?
Wait.
Yeah, I'm not eating no fish in the ocean.
Oh, it's peas. It's peas.
I'm not finna eat any fish.
What the hell?
What you got a lot? We're brothers, so we're supposed to share, you know?
Some
more,
you
man.
go first.
Give me
You're
some
not
more.
gonna eat it, so you don't need no more. Eh?
Just grab some of yours.
Yeah, you can take some of mine because I ain't gonna finish that. Yeah.
Give her
Okay.
4.
Hold on.
It's like a base salad on it, brother.
So you chew it?
Chew treat.
Handful.
Handful?
Yeah, handful.
I'm not pushing all that. Ready?
Yes, it.
Get the toughest one.
Well, are you supposed to taste it still? Try it first.
Are you talk first? Excuse me.
But taste it now?
Yeah, put on a plate at once.
Handful.
What the hell are these?
This not safe. My hand can't manage no more, right?
Yeah, it smells like all purpose. It smells like all purpose. What it smell like? It smells like all purpose.
I don't know, it just smells.
Smells? What smells? Smells like.
It just smells. I don't know, it just smells.
No, if it smells like a smell. Like me, that's it.
No, it just stink.
Can't smell anything.
Kinda, you have to smell it close, I kinda.
I still can't smell anything.
Kinda smell like steel oil.
Bro, there's something wrong with my nose.
You know when you use oil and you throw it back out of the pot and throw it in a buckle and you put it down for a while and then you use it again and then you use it again and then you use it again. You know what I mean?
Kinda.
Yeah, so it smell, that must smell it.
This pepper.
Yeah, come.
But when you try it out, it don't really taste no, but when you put it in your mouth, it just get the pepper taste, but after it just...
This is why.
At the same time.
You see how mankind stay, Adam and Eve. Adam will have theme thing, and Eve will be like, yo, you have more than you. And want to give me some of your own. Because Adam should not live.
But Adam is like...
Am I alive?
He's a lion. Like all men.
See that?
He's alive like all men.
You see who give Adam the apple?
Adam eat the apple and then he blamed it on Eve.
Eve give Adam the apple fam.
Period.
Adam give Eve the apple. What?
Adam eat the apple and blame it on
Eve give Adam the apple. So like go try to give me a wasabi from eat and die because we don't know what it is. What's that? It's green fun. Green peas with white salt. And this don't look right. See
Alright,
that?
let's try it.
See that? Look there. And nobody can bet nobody pan staff never eat this before.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
This not taste good.
What that?
Man know that taste, yeah.
What is? No, sir.
What is?
Wasabi. Peas.
Lara.
Yeah, man, try.
Yeah man, so yes, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. About 5 of them. Jesus Christ, I can't believe I am.
Is that 5?
So count down.
This make it this is one of the reasons you haven't seen me in a minute, fam. This, I one of the reasons. Them something out, them just spring on people. You ready?
Alright.
Let's go.
Go on.
No.
Oh.
You have to chew.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Oh you still eat it?
It's not that wrong. That's crazy. I can't believe
Brother, can I spit it out? Let me count. Right. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Go. Hell yeah, man. It's not that bad.
No. Alright. Well, the smell, the scent gone up in my nose. Like, it have an onion type of vibe. You see me? But let me tell you what it tastes like. Let me try to figure out the taste.
Yeah.
I'm not going to spit it. It's not that bad.
It can eat. It
For
can
me
eat.
to spit
No,
it
hold on,
out?
it can eat. Yeah, it can eat.
Why would you eat another one? I think I'm good.
Oh wait, shit.
I think I'm
never
fine.
expect that.
I'm okay. I'm good off that.
Okay, the first part, like after
It's
it don't
still
taste.
in my mouth.
No, it don't taste that bad after a while.
I can't get little water.
Hold on, hold on.
Cleanse my
She
palate.
too extra.
It's
Look.
not good. It's not
No,
good.
let me describe the taste to you.
It's awful.
Okay.
This and I saw this.
I think
It
tastes
tastes
like
bad, man.
the thing tastes like onion, garlic, salt, peas. Yo, the thing is ghosting, brother. What is?
I'm still a chewing. Jesus Christ. It tastes like raw vegetable. I don't know broccoli, something like that. I don't know, yeah, man.
Broccoli tastes better than this.
It's like it tastes fine at first,
Lie.
but then
Lie.
it tastes salty and then it tastes spicy. But I don't know. It just tastes like peanut.
I see me, I'm allergic to peanut now, so I couldn't go any further. But I wouldn't recommend this to anybody, you know? It's like death sentence and stuff, you know? Man's was about to die. But shout out to
It's not that bad.
her, she did it, you know?
It's really not.
I know when me alone react that way there a while ago. Nobody can do nothing. I don't want to judge me, so I'm never finish, but you see me, I try my very best, brother. I never a life. I try my very best. I never know how your stomach that a while ago.
It's not that bad.
Just try to taste one more for me. Yeah, same thing. see it, nothing to change. The taste, nothing to change but the taste, brother. Insipid.
The first part tastes good. Then
It's the
then there's a
aftertaste,
flavor
I don't
that come in that not
It's
so nice.
spicy because you know.
But after a while, you keep chewing it.
No.
It's pretty good.
It's nutty.
pretty
It has like a
good.
nutty flavor. And it's
I
spicy.
could
Because
eat
you don't know wasabi where you
I
eat
could eat this
sushi
all
and then
day.
give it a little paste and you put it in there to make it spicier. But me not like the raw something, yeah. Me not like this.
Japan, I think.
Some Japanese thing.
Yeah.
Well, people, to me,
Guessing.
you know, it bad, but it not bad. You see me, as me I say, when you watch Powerpuff Girl and have the bar with the green chemical in it and the chemical dash up on your tongue in a hero, it tastes like that chemical. Even though I don't know how the chemical tastes, but me can like look upon it and sense the chemical in the, you know.
Imagination, why?
Yeah, it have a taste, but I don't know the taste still, but that vibe that it give me.
It tastes like gungo. Yeah.
It have a peas type of thing. It's more like susumba. You know susumba? Like when them boil a country and you eat it and thing.
So like one African.
None of us never heard of that before. Trust me.
So alright, would you guys recommend this to anybody?
Would I recommend this to probably vegan people that like it? I said it on the back. But I recommend it to vegan people, but
Shout out to the vegan.
who would I recommend this to?
Yeah, I'm gonna go with you. Vegan, I think. So, you know.